Here, John. They're the
Thank
keys
you.
for your new car.
Thank you very much, sir.
These are the people driving up the numbers,
Your windows exactly the same.
fueling domestic demand
Monthly payments are all on there.
and signing on the dotted line. 25-year-old Sean Staff is on a parts lease option to buy scheme for a UK-built Nissan Juke.
I think there's a stigma attached to taking out loans, taking out finance, committing yourself to things. But as I say, everything's a lot cheaper and everything's talked through, everything's quite clear. I think it's less of a risk now to take these sorts of schemes on for younger people, whereas before it was a bit of the unknown.
At this dealership in Birmingham, there's been a 50% increase in new car sales over the last year. It's an industry that's booming.
Partly down to a rise in demand for cars like this, smaller and more fuel efficient. Last month, UK car manufacturing grew by 16%. Over 91,000 cars were produced, and that was 12,000 up on the same time last year. And it was a 21% increase in the number of cars made for the UK market.
Not necessarily because people have savings, but because of market confidence.
Interest rates are incredibly low at the moment, and a lot of the interest rates are supported further by reductions from the manufacturer. So now has been an absolutely fantastic time for customers to buy new cars, and people are taking advantage of it.
High-end cars are produced in the UK as well. Last week, a £1.5 billion investment was announced at Jaguar Land Rover in Solihull. The domestic demand for new vehicles like these is also being driven by an unlikely force.
Lots of car makers that I speak to say that PPI rebates are having a big part to play in that. I mean, obviously, the average rebate is about £3,000 or £4,000, and of course, that is exactly what you need to put down as a deposit on a new car.
The last 12 months have been the most productive in UK car manufacturing since 2008. And as European car sales fall, the British industry is bucking the trend. For now, a thriving cycle of healthy competition. Adele Robinson, Sky News, Birmingham.